LongCat 2.0 is a new open source model, and it's huge 1.6 trillion parameters. But here's the cool part. It doesn't use all that power at once. It's smart. Simple tasks get less compute, hard tasks get more. Kind of like how you don't need to think hard to tie your shoes, but you do need to focus when solving a tricky math problem. I actually put this thing to the test. I asked it to build Crossy Road games from a single prompt. I tested image generation, video generation, deep research, and I'm going to show you all of it. What's still missing? Before we dive into it, let me give a quick overview. You can jump in and try LongCat 2.0 completely free online. Just head over to longcat.chat to start chatting and testing it out. If you are looking to build your own tools, they also offer easy API access through their platform. It uses a standard OpenAI compatible format, meaning you can easily plug the model right into your existing projects. So what exactly is LongCat 2.0? It's a brand new open source AI model created by Chinese food delivery, and it's massive 1.6 trillion parameters in total, making it one of the biggest models out there. But instead of using all that power for every task, it's smart enough to only activate what it actually needs, usually around 48 billion parameters at a time. It is called Mixture of Experts. Think of it like a huge company with tons of specialists, but only calling in the exact experts needed for each specific job instead of the whole team every time. This makes it fast and efficient, even though it's incredibly powerful under the hood. What's really impressive is that it was trained entirely on domestic computer hardware at a massive scale, which is actually a big technical achievement on its own. Imagine trying to understand a sentence by reading only one word at a time. Most AIs do this. They look at words individually, missing how they flow together. LongCat 2.0 fixes this with a massive 135 billion parameter n-gram embedding technique. Instead of analyzing single words, it groups combinations of up to 5 words or n-grams into a single mathematical vector. This expands its understanding by over 100 times. While other models waste compute scaling up heavy processors, LongCat's n-gram layer captures dense local context instantly, making its text generation faster, smarter, and incredibly memory efficient. Now scale that problem up from a single sentence to an entire book. Trying to read a thick Harry Potter book, but you can only remember the last sentence you read. Traditional AI models suffer from this exact problem. They quickly forget the beginning of a document as they read further. LongCat 2.0 changes this completely with its long context training. Thanks to its massive 1 million token context window, it can remember an entire textbook or thousands of lines of code all at once. While other models get incredibly slow and expensive when processing long texts, LongCat stays lightning fast and highly efficient. But how does it hold that much information without crashing? The secret weapon is a feature called Sparse Attention. When an AI reads a huge document, it tries to pay attention to every single word, which gets slow and messy really fast. Sparse Attention fixes that by being smart about what it actually looks at. Instead of scanning everything equally, it acts like a smart highlighter, picking out the most important pieces of information first. It also reuses some of that attention work across nearby sections instead of redoing it every time, saving a ton of effort. The simple idea here is to focus smarter, not harder. LongCat 2.0 introduces 3 brilliant strategies to make incredibly fast and smooth. Streaming-aware indexing. Think of this as reading whole paragraphs in order rather than randomly jumping around individual words. It grabs fresh data in neat, continuous chunks, so the computer's memory flows smoothly without stuttering. Cross-layer indexing. Imagine taking great notes on chapter 1 and sharing those exact same notes across your other study groups. Instead of reanalyzing the text at every single layer of its brain, the AI computes the important details once and reuses that map across neighboring layers. Hierarchical indexing. This is like checking the table of contents before diving into a specific page. The model first scans big blocks of text to see if they are relevant, and only zooms into specific words inside the blocks that actually matter. Now thinking of a supercomputer trying to solve a hard math problem, it uses all its brain power, right? But what happens when it needs to read a simple comma or the word "and"? In traditional AI, the computer wastes massive energy treating a tiny punctuation mark the exact same way it treats a complex calculus equation. That is where LongCat 2.0 changes the game with its It's called Zero-Computation experts. Think of it like a smart highway system. When a complex truck of data arrives, it gets routed to the heavy-duty engineering lanes. But when a tiny bicycle like a basic period or a simple word comes along, the highway opens a fast-pass gate that requires zero toll and zero effort. The AI instantly recognizes these simple tokens and passes them through without waking up its main processing power. By bypassing these unnecessary calculations, the model saves a massive amount of electricity and computing power. For you, this means lightning-fast responses and incredibly cheap running costs, all while the AI keeps its deep thinking energy saved for the questions that actually matter. Alright, if building one person into a master chef, a brilliant scientist, and a welcoming host sounds great, but forcing someone to master everything usually leaves them average at all three. Traditional models run into this exact same trap when they try to do it all. LongCat 2.0 avoids this bottleneck with an approach called multi-teacher on-policy distillation. Instead of training a single system on every task simultaneously, the developers created three specialized expert models. First, a coding expert handles technical execution and bug fixes. Second, a logic expert focuses on complex math problems. Third, a communication expert manages safe, natural interactions. Once these three experts reach top performance in their specific domains, the developers merge their knowledge into one unified student model. The result is a single system that handles complex technical tasks, advanced logic, and smooth conversation without sacrificing quality or speed. Now, if we look at these benchmark. On a major test for writing and fixing real software called SWE Bench Pro, LongCat 2.0 scored a massive 59.5. To put that in perspective, it actually beat tech giants like GPT 5.5, which scored 58.6, and Claude Opus at 57.3. While other models are great at general chatting, LongCat is a specialized coding powerhouse that works much faster and smarter on large projects. Now, at excited part, let's head over to the chat box. I'm going to generate an image here, and as you can see, there are a few buttons to tweak the settings based on what you need. There's even a reference option in case you want to upload an image for inspiration. We can pick our aspect ratio, and yeah, there are some great predefined styles ready to go. Now, the cool thing is you get up to 100 generations, and each run gives you 4 different images. Let's give it a second. Look at that. It pulled out some crazy detail from the prompt, and honestly, these look stunning. Once you find the ones you like, you can easily download them or even use them to animate a video right here. Unfortunately, it looks like one image had an error and didn't process properly, but that happens. Now for video generation, we've got some cool options here to create brand new clips or extend existing ones. If you already have a reference image, you can just upload it to bring it to life. And yeah, you can pick whatever aspect ratio fits your platform. So with the free tier, we get 10 video generations. Let's go ahead and submit this prompt. Now, keep in mind, generating the video usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so let's give it a moment. And here's the result. Honestly, it looks pretty decent. If you look really closely at the details, you can still tell it's AI generated. But overall, not bad at all. It gave us a 6-second clip, so now we're asking it to generate a 3D endless crossy road game completely inside a single HTML file, using 3JJS and standard HTML and CSS for the UI. It starts spitting out lines of code, and honestly, the UI look actually turned out pretty cool, but the actual game logic is not so much. I mean, my character can literally walk right through cars, and the traffic is driving in the complete wrong direction. There's a weird control bug. When you pause, clicking the resume button on the screen does absolutely nothing, so you have to hit the P key on your keyboard to get it moving again. And the cars are flying by so fast, but again, since collisions are broken, you just phase right through them like a ghost. So I tried feeding the code back a couple of times to get it fixed. And to be fair, it did patch up a few things, but it kept introducing brand new bugs with every pass. Honestly, I still don't even know what winning this game feels like because I can't play it safely. And those cars are still driving in weird directions. Okay, now I'm gonna test on deep research, but keep in mind that deep research also has a daily limit on credits. We submitted a prompt to research the history of LLMs, and right away it generated its output in Chinese, which makes sense since that's the primary language it was trained on. It actually popped up a few clarifying questions first, but I just skipped those and hit research. From there, it started scanning every available source across the web, which is honestly super impressive. But yeah, for most users, you definitely want to explicitly tell it to output in English. Now, if we rerun the research, it will cost us another credit to process. Looking at the results, it lists out its sources, some of which still have Chinese characters from its training data. It did a fantastic job with the research overall. So, what is the final verdict on LongCat 2.0 after real-world testing? It is an impressive step forward for open-source AI, but it comes with a mix of genuine superpowers and a few clear missing pieces. On the overpowered side, its deep research capabilities are seriously impressive. It digs through massive amounts of data, connects complex details across its long context window, and builds remarkably thorough summaries. Its research engine tends to default to Chinese, so you have to explicitly instruct it in your prompt if you want the final response in English. Where it still misses the mark, though, is complex interactive logic. For example, when tested on building a playable game like Crossy Road, it struggled with the actual gameplay mechanics. It lacks crucial collision logic, character physics, and movement timing rules needed to make the game function smoothly. It sets up the basic code structure well, but stumbles on fine-tuning game rules. It can sound confusing when people say LongCat 2.0 is open source and free, but there is still a paid API. Here is reason why. Being open source means the actual blueprints, the model weights, are free for anyone to download on Hugging Face. But because LongCat is a massive 1.6 trillion parameter beast, running it yourself requires thousands of dollars in high-end server equipment. When you pay for the API, you aren't paying for the software. You are just renting someone else's supercomputers to process your requests fast.